Hey kids! Welcome to Num Num Block's Learning Toys. Today, we have 6 puzzles. All of them are vehicles. Look at all the pieces around the puzzles. Let's do the first one. It looks like this vehicle is in outer space. Can you see the planets and stars? All right, let's try to find this piece. I think it's this one. This is an orange piece. It fits right there. Let's look for this piece at the top. I think it's this one. This is a blue piece. There we go. We've done the top and bottom. Now let's find the pieces on the sides. How about this green piece? It fits. This one looks just like it. It goes right there. Now let's find the piece that goes in between the green pieces. There we go. We only have one puzzle piece left. It's this red piece with a white circle. It goes right here. Look, we built a rocket ship. Now it's time to assemble the next puzzle. Look, there's a bird. And there's a street. I don't think this vehicle's in outer space. Let's start with the red piece. Where does it go? Right there. I think that's the front of the vehicle. This yellow piece has vertical stripes. It goes right here, to the right of the red piece. Where do you think this green puzzle piece goes? Below the red and yellow pieces. This looks like a circle. This looks exactly the same as the last one. That's a garbage truck. Good job, team. Let's move to the next puzzle. This vehicle flies in the air. I see the sun and clouds and a bird. I'm going to pick this red piece first. Where does it go? Right there. Let's find the piece that connects to it. How about this blue one? It fits. This piece and this piece look similar. Let's try this green piece. There we go. Now I'm going to grab the orange piece and place it right here. One more piece to go. It's the yellow piece. Wow, we built an airplane. Let's move to the next puzzle. I see the sun, birds, and water. This vehicle must move on water. Look at the pieces. Where do we start? Let's start with this red piece with the black stripe on it. It goes to the top of the puzzle, right there. Let's find the next piece. I'm going to pick this yellow one. It connects to the red piece. That doesn't fit. How about this orange one? Let's find the piece that goes over here. One more piece to go. Look, it has an anchor on it. All right, we built a boat. Now we're moving on to our 5th puzzle. I see a tree, a traffic light, and the street. Which piece should I pick first? How about this red one? It goes right there. Which one is next? Where does the yellow one go? Right there. The next puzzle piece is this blue one. All right, let's pick this green piece. Where does it fit? We have to spin it around. We have 2 empty spots left, and they look the same. Let's pick this one. One more left. The final piece is a wheel and tire. This is a car. We have one more puzzle to assemble. I see steam coming out of the vehicle. It looks like there are tracks. What vehicle rides on tracks? Let's find this piece first. Where can it be? Aha, I think it's this one. It fits. Let's find this piece. It must be this one. Let's find the piece that goes under the blue one. How about the green piece? There we go. What goes in this spot? Let's try this purple piece. Let's place it right here. Let's try the yellow one. It doesn't go in there. It fits right here. One piece left. It's the orange one. It's a train. More specifically, the train engine. Good job, team. We built 6 vehicles. The first one was a rocket ship that flies in outer space. The second vehicle is a garbage truck. Next, we assembled an airplane. After the airplane, we built a boat. Then we built a car. And finally, a train engine. Thank you so much for helping me today. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.